If towing seems intimidating,
we're looking out for you.
With Class 2, you can tow up to 3,500 pounds. Class 3 tows up to 5,000 pounds.
Can I tow a big trailer?
With Class 4, you can. Class 4 tows up to 8,500 pounds, so you can bring a large boat or trailer.
When positioning the hitch ball in front of the trailer,
use the around view monitor.
Once you've backed it up, you can lower it down.
All that's left is securing the trailer. Don't forget to plug in the brake lights. With your trailer properly secured, you're ready to hit the open road.